Hey everyone, it's Karen Schaefer with Simple Appeal and APSD, the Association of Property Scene Designers, here today with your weekly home staging training tip. Now, I'm in what I refer to as a tweener's room, so those are kids that are usually somewhere between 7 to 13 years old. And believe it or not, this is going to blow your mind, but they are the largest driving buying force in the United States for cars, vacations, and homes. When did they all get a job so they could afford that? But you know exactly what I'm talking about. Because if they like something, they do this. Mom, 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 until they get your attention and you give them what they want, right? So we always have to create rooms just for those guys in order to keep them busy, but also to make them fall in love with the house so that they really tell mom and dad how much they like this particular home. So I always create scenes for them. Now I'm only going to show you a little bit of this scene, and if I have time, I'll show you the whole thing. But let me first show you this great scene within a scene with the perfect pocket of emotion for a tweener. So first of all, we've kind of spaced everything out on our great little foundation items. So we've added a nice splash of color with the green rug. I have some playing cards so they could sit here and play with the cards, whether it's a game or just shuffle them. It's a good color because the green actually works with the rug, and then there's some yellow too that complements some decor on the rug. We've pulled the yellow in with a notepad. Don't you wish you knew what it said? And we have this great little megaphone that says director, right? Because we know these little guys like to be in charge. There's no question about that. How about this old movie camera? So not only will this appeal to the kids because they'll try to figure out what the heck it is because it's so foreign to them, but it'll definitely appeal to mom and dad. So, okay, well, I guess I'll let the cat out of the bag and tell you exactly what the notepad says. So first of all, we've given them an activity, and then we have the director megaphone and the camera. So we've written a note that says, Steven Spielberg, watch out, here I come. So it's a great little fun pocket of emotion for both the kids as well as mom and dad. If you'd like to learn how to specifically cater to these kids so that they tell mom and dad they want that house, then all you have to do is click on the link below and it'll take you to all the APSD online as well as on location training programs. I'm Karen Schaefer. I'll look forward to speaking to you next week.